Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So this is the first series which I am uploading into YouTube through Learning with Leo channel. So that is on robotic process automation. So in this series we are going to learn about an robotic process automation tool called UiPath Studio, and we are going to discuss about robotic process automation techniques as well. So in this today's session we are going to discuss about robotic process automation. What are its uses? What are its benefits and popular tools of robotic process automation available in the current market, and what are different types of and we are going to see about the trends between different leading tools in the current market. Okay, so let's dive into this. So RPA means robotic process automation, which means the process of using virtual robots to implement the repetitive tasks. Thereby, we can reduce the human intervention on the repetitive tasks. So, for example, if you see a KPO or any BPO employee, so their work is to gather the information from the users or from their customers, and they will consolidate the data in a document or in an Excel sheet, and they will send the data to their respective owners or to their superiors or to their colleagues. So these kind of tasks which are repetitive, so every day they are going to do the same way, thereby it is becoming a repetitive task and it will be very irritatable, and it will not be very interesting to the employees. So those kind of tasks which we can do in regular manner, so those tasks can be automatable with the help of robotic process automation. So in this we are using virtual robots by which can perform the processes in a sequential manner with the help of automation. So there are some of the verticals which we use robotic process automation in the current industry, like healthcare, banking, finance, industry, insurance, manufacturing, and media. So, for example, if you see banking and finance, where we have a lot of forms which need to get approval from many of the managers or many employees in a bank. Suppose once the user or the customer submits this application, so it will get from one employee to another employee inside the bank for getting approvals. So those kind of process can be automatable of robotic process automation tools. So what are the tasks can be performed using RPA? So there are some of the tasks such as data scraping, web automation, develop desktop automation, API automation, image and text automation, etc. So data scrapping in the sense, suppose if you see a data scientist, so he need to work on large sets of data. Suppose if he is working on any table, he wants to collect the information certain table, so that time, so with the help of data scrapping, it is available in the RPA tools, which uses artificial intelligence. It collects information either from website or from any desktop application. So in the same way, we can use this robotic process automation in web automation, where we basically use Selenium tool or ESP tool for performing web automation. But these tools also have some different limitations, such as if you want to upload any file to a server or to any other server location, so that time these tools are not helpful to perform the task. So in the same way for desktop application automation, like suppose if the application is built on SAP or CRM or any other tools, like if you're working on Citrix application, if you want to perform testing on Citrix application, so then also we can use robotic process automation and also API automation. So API which acts as a bridge between the client and server. So if you want to validate the status or response for a particular API, so these are RPAs also can be helpful to perform those kind of testing as well. And image and text automation. So it is difficult to perform the validations on image which is having text or on the files like PDF. So that time also RPA can be useful. So it is very difficult to automate the tasks on the images or PDFs with help of Selenium and tools. So in the same way, in database testing also we can use the robotic process automation tools, and also for the email automation. Suppose if it is a task like sending email to an employee or to the bulk numbers. So that time, if suppose if we consider the example of APO or BPO, so once they consolidate the information, so they need to publish details across the organization. So that time also we can use this email automation. So where it will gather the information from the different sources and the consolidation and sending the email. So those kind of tasks also performed using email automation using robotic process automation. So phases in robotic process automation. So just like in software development cycles, so we also have robotic process automation cycles. So we are also having different phases in robotic process automation. So like planning, development, testing, support, maintenance. So during the planning stage, so we will make an agreement. So how to create the flow or the process. So in this series of tutorial, so we are going to discuss about the tool for UiPath Studio. So it uses flows like sequences, flow charts, and different kinds of flows are available. So which we are going to see in the upcoming lectures. So those agreements will be made in the planning stage. So in development stage, where we have the developer, where we have an RPA developer, he will design the process or workflow based on the agreement made in the planning stage. So in the testing phase, so the developed application or the robot, so which is coming to the test will be tested, and if there are any issues occurred in the tool or in the robot, so then the RPA developer he will fix the issues and he will deploy that robot into the production line in support and maintenance stage. So if there is any issue or any obstruction or any showstopper occurred in production line, so in that case, RPA developer he will fix those issues, and if there is any enhancement required, then also we will use the support and maintenance stage to enhance the application. So benefits of robotic process automation. So as we seen the example of BPO or BPO industries, where we have a lot of repetitive tasks. So there, if we implement a robot, so which can perform the repetitive tasks 24/7, so it requires less manpower. So and it is cost effective because a single robot can perform multiple tasks at a time in parallelly or in sequential ways. So thereby it will take less time for completing the task and it produce the application results in very accurately with less error rate. So these are some of the tools available in the current market. Some of them are UiPath, BluePrism, AutomationAnywhere, Pega, and Pega. Many tools are available. So of all these UiPath, BluePrism, and AutomationAnywhere are trending now. So we'll see the difference between these three tools in the next slide. So if you observe the UiPath, BluePrism, and AutomationAnywhere, so these are available in different editions. Like UiPath is available for community edition, which is free, and they are also providing free tutorials which are helpful for creating the UiPath robots. Whereas for BluePrism, there is no trial version available, so we need to definitely purchase a commercial version, and the training is also commercial based on the membership. Whereas Automation Anywhere is providing a trial version for 30 days, and their training is commercial based on the membership. And these three are providing the robots which are attended and unattended. So UiPath is providing attended and unattended robots options are available, whereas with BluePrism we have only unattended robot version, whereas in Automation Anywhere attended and non-attended robot options are available. So learning wise, UiPath is one of the key factors because also UiPath doesn't require programming knowledge, so that every person who is working in a project such as a business analyst or a manager or an employee or a tester or a developer, so they directly understands what is the flow, what it will perform, what is the task that is performing by a particular flow or any tool. And whereas for BluePrism it is also very user friendly and it is easy to understandable. Whereas an Automation Anywhere it requires some programming knowledge to understand. So if you observe the Google Trend also, a popular tool among these three is UiPath, and BluePrism is in middle between the UiPath Studio and Automation Anywhere. So by considering all these factors, so I am preparing a series on UiPath Studio. In the coming lectures, we are going to see about UiPath Studio and how to install this and how we can automate the task about using UiPath Studio. So we can observe the Google Trends as well. So I filtered certain amount of period. So in this we can observe the blue line, so which is UiPath, which is always trending certain period from 7th Jan 2018 to the current period. So you can see, so at least 50 search results are there for UiPath, whereas for BluePrism and AutomationAnywhere we have only plus requests which are less than 10. So by this we can understand so how UiPath is trending in the current world. So, in the coming lectures, we are going to discuss about the UiPath installation and what are its benefits and how we can perform the task using UiPath Studio. So, if you like my video, so please do subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you so much.